got the email about a lightsaber. I'm like, I'm not sure if this is gonna fit with my channel, but yes. When I took a look at their products, I was like, yeah, there's no way I could pass this up. This is by far the best lightsaber I've ever had. I'm gonna unbox it with you, so here we go. Let's experience this together. First of all, the case is pretty sweet. It's a hard box. It's got the branding on the front, but then if you turn it around, may the force be with you. I did ask if there was a Darth Bane lightsaber, and they said that they're working on one, so maybe when that one comes out, I'll go ahead and get that one. But for now, this is the Luke Skywalker version. And from what I'm told, you can actually change the colors. So is Luke on the dark side or Jedi? Anyway, we all know that answer, but here we go. Let's open this together. So we got a tool with some screws. Here's our manual. Looks like we got a metal sticker. Here's the charger. Looks like it's gonna take one of those bigger looking batteries. USB-A connection. Looks like we got a display stand. This will peel off. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. It comes with a display stand. Pretty sure this is just gonna pop on in. So there's that. Got some gloves. I'm not sure if this is gonna fit my hands, but try not to get fingerprints all over the shiny new lightsaber. Looks like we got the light tube here. Looks like I got all the plastic off now. There's a little cover here, so that's gonna have to come off. All right. I'm pretty excited about this. All right, this is gonna be cool. All right, so we get into the battery. While I put the rest of it together, I think I'm gonna get this thing charging. All right, so you're gonna wanna notice when you're putting this back on that there's two different like heights or levels here, and you can see that on the inside. So make sure you put that on appropriately. All right, so you can kind of see where the screws are gonna help hold this in place. I'm gonna have to take these gloves off to work on this now. All right, this is feeling way more legit now. This is awesome. All right, I gotta check on that battery. All right, I got the battery on there for a few minutes. Let's see if we can get this thing turned on. All right, so there's a plus sign here, so make sure that you're putting it in the right way. If you tap it once, you got like a hit sound or a blaster sound. Which is your favorite color? I mean, you got purple, yellow, blue, green, red. I think you can guess what color I want to go with. Oh, this is so cool. All right, figured that part out. Hit my camera. I ought to make a Facebook status. You know, what did you do for work today? Me? I played around with the lightsaber. I love my job. This is cool. I'm super excited about having this. This is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to figure out a cool place to display it at and just to kind of have it part of my decor. I mean, not to mention just, yeah, have some fun with some Star Wars outfits, things like that. So first impressions is that I absolutely love it. It's so much fun. The different colors that you could choose from, depending on what side that you're on, that's pretty awesome. Or if you have a favorite character, you can change the color to that Jedi saber. I like the different sound effects. You can wave it around and it's gonna just kind of follow the motion that you're moving it with. It sounds pretty good too. It's like a decent speaker coming out of the bottom. And even just like weight-wise, it's not like it's a cheap toy kind of make. Like this legit, like you could have a great costume to go with this and feel like you got a great saber to go with it. Just some of the detail. I do get why they have gloves with this, because it does mark, this particular model will definitely mark up with fingerprints quite a bit. So if you're gonna put this on display, you're definitely gonna wanna wipe it down. I mean, if I've got a costume, I'm gonna have gloves on more than likely anyways. I hope that you have fun watching this video. This was a little bit different from the tech stuff that I typically do, like with phones and accessories. But you know, sometimes you just gotta have fun with what you do. And like I said, I couldn't say no to accepting this. Like this is, I mean, I just turned 40 and I'm getting excited about a lightsaber still, so it's pretty awesome. Sometimes you just gotta have some fun, right? So I hope you had fun watching this, and if you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see what we can do with that. I'm gonna figure out some creative ways to have fun with this, some different photo, video, shoot kind of things. I mean, I got some stuff, as you can see at the beginning of the video, to have some fun with that. So here we go. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. Thanks again for watching, subscribe, and I'll catch you next video. Had to press it one more time. I love how it goes up and down, like it's turning off. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my costume on because I'm actually recording the A-roll first.